Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Federal Employee EOPF account. So let's get started. So to log into your Federal Employee EOPF account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for Login Federal Employee EOPF account. And after searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just scroll down, and after scrolling down here you can find this option which is from National Federal Center. And now what you can do is just tap on this link, and after tapping on that option, now you'll come up to this login page, and from here what you can do is just tap on other federal employees, that contractors, and after tapping on that, now you can log into one of your accounts. So if you are logged into your GOV account, you can do that. You can also log into your EAUTH user ID, or you can also log into your PIVCAC account. So I want to log into my login.gov account, so what I'll do is just tap on that option. So you can select any other option that is related to you. I'll just tap on this option, and after tapping on this option, what I can do is just sign into my account. So to sign into my account, what I have to do is just enter my email address and password. And after entering our email address and password, what I can do is just tap on sign in, and I will successfully sign into my account. So if I have forgotten my account's password or my account's email, what I can do is just simply tap on forgot your password, and then easily reset or recover my account's password. I can also create my account by tapping on create an account. So to create an account, what I can do is just simply enter my email address, select my language, and then submit, and just enter some other following details. So just simply enter your email address and password. After entering your email address and password, now what you can do is just tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Federal Employee EOPF account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.